show you one of the most underrated homes in Idaho Falls. And the reason why I say that is because it's been on the market a little while, but it's completely brand new, over 4,000 square feet, and an amazing subdivision. There is an HOA of $80 a month, but they take care of your landscaping, your snow removal. There's walking paths in the back and an amazing park with a pavilion and volleyball courts and a playground. I think this is one of the most practical homes, especially for families if you need multiple play places, bedrooms, but still have main floor living with the master on the main floor and the laundry on the main floor, big pantries, big spaces. I mean, I love this house and I can't wait to show you. What's up guys, my name is Anike Wilder. I'm a local realtor here in East Idaho. If you're new to my channel and you want to know all there is to know about life in Idaho Falls and the surrounding areas, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and you'll be the first to know when I put out a new video like this every single week. And if you're thinking about moving to this beautiful state of Idaho and you're looking for someone to show you around, answer your questions, and help you buy or sell some real estate, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me a message, and I'll be happy to help. All right, let's go see this incredible home. First, let's start with the outside. This beautiful home has great curb appeal. It'll have grass here very soon. 3 cars, well, it's actually 4 cars, which you'll see from the inside. It's the third bay is double deep, so it's a tandem 4th car garage. You've got a covered patio here with lighting. This is great for benches or swing. And then right when you walk in, one of my favorite things about this home is you can't see the kitchen sink from the front door. Instead, you have a very bright entryway with that window that overlooks the patio, a coat closet, and you're greeted by all the bright paint and the LVP. And then to the left, we have through these double doors, which I love that there's windows here, adding more light, is an office. And who doesn't love a front-facing office, or it could be a music room or formal living room. Then you've got the stairs with more lighting. On the right, you have a half bathroom. So you've got this drop zone. It's super nice. You have a half bathroom right next to your garage, mudroom, laundry room area, and the front door for guests, and your office. So if you're working, I mean, it's just a perfectly located half bath. Here's your mudroom area with hooks and built-in shelves, and then your laundry room that has its own door and shelves. You can close that off completely as well, so guests don't have to see all the laundry in there. Headed into the garage, it is a standard 3-car garage at first, but then when you head to the third bay, you will see that it is a tandem garage. So you can actually fit 2 cars back to back in this third bay, making it a 4-car garage. Or you could just make it a shop back there, or a play area, or just extra storage. Headed back into the house, passing the pantry and the entry to the downstairs, we head into the kitchen. Beautiful modern style here. Love how bright it is. The sink is right under the window, which doesn't have a very scenic look. It just looks to the house next to you, but I like that you have full use of the island. And then a total open concept here. So you got a large area for dining, living room, and then a big pantry right across the hall. And so it's not necessarily a walk-in pantry, but it is big. It is double the amount of space as a standard wall pantry. Then as we walk around the kitchen, you'll see that the drawers and the cabinets are all soft close. You've got a gas range, a microwave that's very nice, a deep sink, so you don't have a divider here. This is quite deep, which I really, really like. And then there's that window, letting that natural sun coming right in. And they already have blinds on this whole house, which is something that Kartchner includes, is you could get the blinds already for the house, custom made, so you don't have to worry about it. You already have the privacy and you don't have to even think about it. So a lot of new builds don't include blinds, which I think is a hassle. So super nice to see that. Through the back sliding door, we've got a couple steps down where you enter the backyard. Now the backyard is very small actually, but it is still going to be a fully fenced yard, which you could have a gate here that looks out to the walking path, because that is a walking path right across a canal. And that canal breaks up the rest of the houses. So you're not looking right into the houses behind you, but you do have that maturity and those trees and the canal and an ability to walk your dog dogs or kids all the way around the neighborhood. Coming back through the living room is your master bedroom. This primary suite is on the main floor, which is awesome if you're wanting separation where kids are upstairs or guests upstairs or multiple generational living people are upstairs, and you can still have the primary suite on the main floor. Off the bedroom is this beautiful glass walk-in shower separate from this big soaker tub, which I prefer in a master bathroom. It's a little bit more luxurious. And you've got a double vanity with these modern mirrors and light fixtures, super chic. Love the contrast between the lighter cabinets and the dark hardware throughout the house. Then there's also a separate toilet room here. So you have a complete privacy with its own toilet with a door that closes it. And then of course the walk-in closet. All right, let's head upstairs. Back down the hall through these U-shaped stairs, you got so much light coming in from that window. And then right when you come up from the top of the stairs is this big family room. Now it's hard to tell because videos can be deceiving with a wide angle lens, but this is a big room. You can fit a huge TV, beanbags, couches, all the toys you can imagine. And then there's 4 more bedrooms up here plus a bonus room. So this is your first bedroom right at the top of the stairs. Then down this hall, you have 3 more bedrooms and a bathroom. What I like about this bathroom is you have the double vanity, so perfect for kids or just multiple people. And then it separates from the shower and tub and toilet area. So if people can be using the sink and getting ready while someone is showering. Lots of closets in this space. So we just passed the first closet, it's a linen closet, and then you've got 3 more bedrooms. These 2 here face the back. So this faces the canal and the walking paths, all pretty decent sized rooms with decent sized closets too. Each room could fit a queen size bed or a couple bunk beds. Now, but wait, there's more. As we continue past this big family room and past the utility room here on the left, at the end of this room is another room. What I love about this room is it doesn't have windows, but it has power and lights. So you could make this a movie room. You could shove all the kids' toys in here and close it off from the rest of the family room. You can make it a podcast room, another guest room. I mean, there's so much you can do with that room. And then this house comes with a basement, whereas I've done a video of this house without a basement. So if you are looking for room to grow, you've got several kids and you want another family room, another guest room, another bathroom, you have an unfinished basement. So the possibilities are endless down here. At nearly 4,500 square feet, you have so much space. And this house is listed at about $130 a square foot. So it's a slamming deal for all of this space. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful day, a beautiful windy day here in Idaho Falls. Excuse the hair, excuse the echo. I did forget my mic. But if you're interested in this house or any other home like this in Idaho Falls or the surrounding areas, my name is Anike Wilder. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me a message, schedule a Zoom call, ask me about the off-market listings or houses like this that I absolutely love, and I would be happy to answer any questions that you might have about my market, about the state, about me and my team, what have you. And don't you forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye.